Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add members on your Kajabi courses. Alright, let's begin. First, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for kajabi.com. Once you reach the website, sign into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you will be redirected to the homepage where you can access all the features of Kajabi. Now, look for the Contacts feature in the left side menu. Clicking on that will give you several options, so go ahead and select All Contacts. This will take you to a list of all your current contacts. Next, select the Add Contacts button located at the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear with different options. Choose the one that best fits your needs, whether it's adding a single contact or multiple contacts at once. After selecting your option, enter the required information for the new members, such as their name and email address. This is important for keeping track of your members effectively. Next, expand the bottom menu and check mark the Grant Offer feature. This allows you to select the courses you want to assign to these new members. Make sure to choose the appropriate courses so they have access to the content you want them to see. Once you have filled in all the necessary information and selected the courses, click on the Save button. So that's basically how you can add members on your Kajabi courses. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.